Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the language on your CapCut PC app. So go to this button right here. I already changed the language, so you guys can change it even if you're currently in a different language and not in English. So select this button right here and select this one, which is the first one below all of these ones that have an arrow in it, like this, like that. So it's the first one here. It's called settings in English, but in a different language it's going to be different, obviously, so just note that it's the first one. Then go to the tab to the very right, and here's where you can select your language. I'm just going to change it to English, and I'm going to select this blue button, and I'm just going to select this blue button again, and it's going to restart the app, but you do have to restart it so that the language changes. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!